Hi and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the new Team AJ sets. And if you haven't seen my video unboxing of the new birthday sets, the dress and the play set, as well as my video report about my visit to American Girl Place NYC, both of those videos are uploaded to our channel. I'll put the link to both of them in the description box below. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Here are all three new Team AG sets, and they all retail at $45. And they have pretty simple names. For example, the first one that I'm about to show you, the one with the red sweater, is called Team AG Sweater and Skirt Set, which is, kind of an obvious name. So this is a promo picture from the American Girl website, and this is the actual item that I bought at American Girl store. This is the outfit I wanted the most from the leaked pictures. I just love the red sweater and I absolutely love the skirt. It does look a little bit cheerleader-like, but I love it. It's still very classy. And here's the back of the box so you can see all three outfits. I think they're really cute. I think this collection has a serious mix and match and potential. All the pieces are so basic, can be worn with a lot of other pieces. Let's take a look at the sweater first. I absolutely love it. It's so well made. The buttons are metal, which to me is very, very impressive. And they unbutton. There are buttonholes. There's no Velcro, so that's definitely a plus for me personally as an adult collector. This sweater is so well made. I'm so impressed. Look at this. And I love how it has this little star on the side instead of the ugly American Girl tag. The oval plastic tag. Yeah, I definitely prefer this new tag. I wonder if that's what we're going to have from now on. So it has this ribbed edge on the sleeve, and the top doesn't have it, and the bottom doesn't have it either. Let's take a look at the next item. It's this tank top. Very basic. It has this cute print with stars. The fabric has a really nice feel to it, and I can really appreciate that as an adult collector. Of course, there's a Velcro in the back. Yeah, it feels really nice. The color is very rich and deep. It's kind of dark navy, but it's also bright. So it could go with a lot of other pieces. Now, here's the skirt. This is my favorite item from this outfit. I absolutely love it. I love the stripes. If you are into red, white, and blue, this is a perfect outfit. There are pleats right here, and I think the way your doll wears it, there should be one pleat in the center or two. I think you can wear them both ways, whatever you like. The stripes are nice and crisp, as you can see there, right here. So the print is really good. The fabric isn't thin at all. It's the kind of fabric they usually use for pants, so it's kind of like canvas. Now let's take a look at the shoes, and these sneakers are so adorable. They are white, they're mostly white, and they have this printed red part right here. It is printed, it's not a separate piece. So I'm not really crazy about that. I would have preferred for this to be a separate sewn-on piece, but it's still really cute. The design is adorable. It is different from other sneakers that American Girl has made, and I don't see anything wrong with it. They are perfect. I do like them. Such a great mix and matching piece. This set also includes a pair of socks, and they're just like regular light blue socks. You can use them with other outfits. I don't think my dolls have light blue socks, and now they do. Let's take a look at the hair clip. Definitely hair clip. It has 2 stars with glitter. They're covered with glitter, and I'm always worried that the glitter will rub off, so I'm going to try and see if that will happen. I'm just going to try and really kind of
see if the glitter rubs off, and it doesn't. It's all sealed. Whatever sealant they used is working. No glitter all over the place. Now let me show you everything that came in this set. And as I already mentioned, this is my favorite outfit from this release. Definitely a keeper. Very basic colors. Even if you don't like red, white, and blue, you can just use separate pieces for different outfits. The sweater is great. I love that sweater, and I love that skirt. Actually, the skirt might be my overall favorite piece from this release. And the sneakers are absolutely adorable. I got my Ariel to model this outfit, and I think she looks amazing in it. I think her red hair goes really well with the red sweater. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. I think it would look good on any doll. Well, they're not super neutral colors, but I believe red, white, and blue is such a classic combination. A lot of high-end brand like Ralph Lauren use that a lot. So, yeah, it looks great. And here, my Ariel without the sweater, she still looks amazing. I definitely recommend this set. And if you're worried about the quality is great. I have nothing to complain about in this set. Let's move on to the next set. This one is called Team AG Jogger set. This is what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. And it also retails at $45. So this set, I was not quite as excited about as I was about the previous set, but I do like it. I'm happy that I purchased it. It's really, really cute. And again, you can use that with other pieces. I like that hoodie. I think it can be used with a lot of other outfits, not just as a part of this set. Look at this. How adorable. The quality of the fabric is really nice. The star is printed, and these two stripes are also printed, and that's not something that I'm super crazy about because that kind of stuff peels off with time. But I am impressed with the zipper. It's a metal zipper, and American Girl keeps using metal zippers, and I'm really happy about that. So American Girl, please keep using metal zippers. Overall, the quality of the fabric they used for this jacket, for the hoodie, is perfect. It's just nice, soft cotton, which is great for play for younger customers. And it's great for adult collectors because it feels so nice. If you watched my other unboxing videos, you know I always prefer natural fabrics. And so does Kat. They just feel so nice. Anyway, the pants are made out of the same nice cotton material. They're really well made. All the details are perfectly sewn. They have this little detail. That string, you can't pull it. It's just purely decorative. And here's what the stripes look like on the legs. Also printed. The stripes are also printed. Here's a t-shirt. I really like the design. It's so cool. I love that gold on the white background. It stands out. It looks beautiful. It says American Girl 1986. And there's American Girl star right in the middle. I love this t-shirt. And the material is nice cotton. And I like that red American Girl star tag on the bottom. As I already mentioned, I prefer this over the plastic American Girl tag. Now let's take a look at the shoes. And I know some people were wondering if they are plastic because they kind of look weird in the promo pictures. They're not plastic. They're made out of the same type of vinyl that American Girl so-called leather shoes are made of. So that's what they look like. They are red. So the main part of the shoe is red, and there was a white part in the middle. They are kind of basic, but they are different enough to have in my doll's wardrobe. And they don't have to be worn with sporty outfits. They can be worn with dresses, skirts, shorts, whatever you want. They're pretty basic. And now let's take a look at the sunglasses. The sunglasses are pretty basic too, and again, it's one of those pieces that is great to have for mix and matching. I love how the glass part is actually dark navy blue. There's such beautiful contrast between crisp white and dark navy blue. I just love it. So let me show you everything that came in this set. And as I mentioned, I love almost everything. I'm not the biggest fan of things being printed on clothes the way that they are printed here, because potentially in 10-15 years it might start peeling off or not. I don't know. I think it depends on care. Overall, I like it, and I think you can use it for Lila even. That could be one of her workout outfits. I got our Tiana to model this outfit, and we're kind of used to Tiana wearing green and yellow, but she looks amazing in red, white, and blue. This actually is a reminder that I should really try different colors on all of my dolls, not just stick to the original colors that they came in. I think she looks great. I think that kind of almost baby blue, but not quite. I think it looks really, really good on her. And the red and white just add the right amount of freshness. Yeah, I absolutely love it. As you can see, she is still wearing her bun. I did not let her hair out of the bun. The last outfit I'm opening today is called Team AG Navy Dress Outfit. It's a very simple name. It also retails at $45, and this is what it looks like. A lot of people were really excited about it when we got the leaked images. I wasn't really that excited. I wasn't even sure if I was going to purchase it, but when I saw it at American Girl Place NYC, I was convinced that I need it. So here's the hat. It comes with a hat. It actually kind of reminds me of the hat Emily from Emily in Paris wears. She actually wears a bunch of hats. I guess that's her thing. Anyway, it's a red hat with 2 golden buttons, and the buttons are really shiny and pretty. They're not metal, they're plastic. The hat, I'm not sure what the style of the hat is called. If you do, let me know in the comments, but it's this kind of hat, and I think they are trendy right now. I'm not really a hat person for myself. This dress is made out of 2 layers of fabric. There are 2 ruffles on the bottom, and each of them has 2 layers. The one inside is this kind of dark navy material, and then on top of it is this mesh fabric with the stars, the golden stars printed on it. And there are 2 layers of fabric everywhere in the dress. You see the golden stars. I'm afraid they will peel off with time, so I'm just going to be really careful with this dress. I think this is such a beautiful dress for the 4th of July, and it was definitely a must-buy for me once I saw it in real life. It's just absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at the boots, and the boots are nice. I love the detail in the front, and American Girl keeps using it on their boots, and it has a small heel right here. The main part of the boot is made out of the same faux leather / vinyl material that they always use for their shoes. It's a nice, rich, dark navy color. I love it. Very neutral, very mix and matchable. My personal preference would be to have my dolls wear these boots with frilly dresses and skirts, maybe shorts, but you can definitely wear them with longer pants and jeans. They would look amazing as well. Now let's take a look at the socks. And these are super basic socks. They're just white socks with 1 red stripe. They do remind me of Molly's socks from one of her outfits. Yeah, they're really simple. They're really simple, really basic, but it's not a bad thing. And sometimes it's good to have similar items because you can dress 2 or 3 of your dolls in a similar style, especially something like socks. You know, you can use socks a lot. Now let's take a look at the belt. The belt is on the skinny side. It's very thin. It's made out of vinyl, and the buckle is plastic. I thought it might be metal, but no, it's plastic, but it looks like it could be metal. It actually reminds me a little bit of Luciana's belt. And if you don't have Luciana and wanted a red belt, this belt will do. It goes through the buckle and the loop. I'm not going to do that now because I'd have to unbuckle it and buckle it again once I put it on my doll. So let me show you everything that came in this set. And it is really cute. I like it better than I expected. I'm not the biggest fan of the hat. it's just not my thing, like I said. But I do like the dress, and I love the boots, and the belt is a nice addition, and so are the socks. I got my Cinderella doll to model it because I thought I'd use my Disney dolls as models for this video, and her hair was best suited for this hat. Yeah, I think she looks pretty cute in it. I think the colors are really working with her skin tone and eye color. She looks really good in this outfit. I absolutely love it. I like it so much better than I expected, and I think my dolls are ready for the 4th of July. Let me know in the comments if you purchased or planning to purchase any of these outfits. I know a lot of people were disappointed that this release was smaller. It was smaller than we expected, but I still like these 3 outfits. I'm definitely happy that they are out. Let me know in the comments what you think. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.